Cyberome Online Training. Introduction to Cyberome, Overview and Objectives. Cyberome, now part of Sophos after the acquisition in 2014, is known for its Unified Threat Management (UTM) solutions. It provides a range of network security features, including firewall protection, intrusion prevention, antivirus, anti-spam, VPN, and content filtering. Here's an overview and the main objectives of Cyberome. Overview. Unified Threat Management (UTM). Cyberome's UTM appliances combine multiple security features into a single device. This integration simplifies management and offers comprehensive protection against a variety of threats. Firewall protection. Cyberome offers advanced firewall capabilities that control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Intrusion Prevention System (IPS). The IPS feature helps detect and prevent attacks by monitoring network traffic for malicious activity and policy violations. Antivirus and anti-spam. Cyberome includes antivirus protection to detect and eliminate malware and anti-spam filters to block unwanted email messages. Virtual Private Network (VPN). Cyberome supports VPN technologies to securely connect remote users and branch offices to the corporate network. Content filtering. This feature allows administrators to block access to inappropriate or non-business related web content, enhancing productivity and security. Reporting and logging. Comprehensive reporting tools help in monitoring and analyzing network activity, providing insights into potential threats and system performance. High availability. Cyberome appliances offer high availability configurations to ensure continuous network protection and minimize downtime. Objectives. Comprehensive security. To provide all-in-one protection by integrating multiple security features into a single device, reducing the need for separate solutions. Ease of management. To simplify network security management with a unified interface, enabling administrators to monitor and control all security aspects from one place. Threat detection and prevention. To proactively identify and prevent various types of cyber threats, including viruses, malware, and unauthorized access attempts. Regulatory compliance. To help organizations meet compliance requirements by offering robust security measures and detailed reporting. Network performance. To balance security with performance, ensuring that network protection does not adversely affect the efficiency of business operations. Scalability. To support the growth of organizations by providing scalable solutions that can be expanded as network needs evolve. Core features and functionalities of Cyberome. Cyberome, now part of Sophos, offers a range of features and functionalities primarily designed to enhance network security. Here are some core features and functionalities of Cyberome. 1. Unified Threat Management (UTM). Firewall protection. Provides robust firewall capabilities to control and monitor network traffic based on predefined security rules. Intrusion Prevention System (IPS) detects and prevents potential threats and attacks by monitoring network traffic for suspicious activity. Antivirus and anti-malware. Scans and blocks viruses, malware, and other malicious software to protect the network from infections. Anti-spam. Filters and blocks unwanted email messages to reduce spam and phishing attacks. to Virtual Private Network (VPN). Site-to-site VPN connects multiple remote locations securely over the Internet. Client-to-site VPN allows individual users to securely connect to the network from remote locations. SSL VPN provides secure remote access to applications and resources over SSL, Secure Sockets Layer, encryption. 3. Content filtering. Web filtering controls and restricts access to websites based on categories and content types. Application control manages and monitors the use of applications on the network, including blocking or allowing specific applications. 4. Network security. Network segmentation divides the network into segments to improve security and performance by isolating different types of traffic. Bandwidth management controls and prioritizes bandwidth usage to ensure optimal performance for critical applications. 5. Advanced threat protection. Behavioral analysis monitors network behavior for signs of suspicious activity or potential threats. Threat intelligence integration leverages threat intelligence feeds to stay updated on emerging threats and vulnerabilities. 6. High availability and load balancing. Failover support ensures network continuity by providing failover support in case of hardware or connectivity failures. Load balancing distributes network traffic across multiple devices or servers to optimize performance and prevent overloads. 7. Reporting and monitoring. Comprehensive reporting provides detailed reports on network activity, security incidents, and performance metrics. Real-time monitoring offers real-time visibility into network traffic and security events for proactive management. 8. User identity and access management. User authentication supports various authentication methods, including LDAP, Radius, and Active Directory integration. Access control manages user access to network resources based on roles and policies. 9. Centralized management. Management Console provides a centralized interface for managing security policies, configurations, and monitoring. Policy management allows for the creation and enforcement of security policies across the network. Network security and threat management with Cyberome. Cyberome, which was acquired by Sophos, provides network security solutions with a focus on threat management. Here are some key aspects of Cyberome's network security and threat management. Unified Threat Management UTM. Cyberome's UTM appliances combine multiple security features such as firewall, intrusion prevention system, IPS, antivirus, anti-spam, and content filtering into a single device. This integrated approach simplifies security management and enhances protection. Layer 8 technology. This feature allows Cyberome to offer user-based security by identifying users through their IP addresses and MAC addresses, enabling granular control over network access and policies. Next-generation firewall, NGFW. Cyberome's NGFW capabilities include deep packet inspection, application control, and advanced threat protection to defend against modern, sophisticated attacks. Intrusion prevention system IPS. The IPS feature detects and prevents potential threats and attacks in real time by analyzing network traffic for suspicious patterns. Antivirus and anti-malware. Cyberome provides real-time scanning of network traffic to identify and block malicious software, including viruses, worms, and trojans. Content filtering. This feature helps in controlling access to inappropriate or harmful content based on categories, URLs, and keywords. VPN support. Cyberome supports secure remote access through virtual private network (VPN) technologies, including SSL and IPsec VPNs, ensuring secure communication for remote users. Reporting and analytics. Comprehensive reporting tools provide insights into network activity, threat intelligence, and security incidents, helping in monitoring and improving the overall security posture. Centralized management. Cyberome offers centralized management options to streamline the administration of multiple security appliances and policies, improving efficiency and consistency in security management. High availability and scalability. Cyberome's solutions are designed to ensure high availability and scalability to meet the demands of growing organizations and evolving security needs. User identity management and access control in Cyberome. User identity management. Authentication methods. Local authentication. Users are managed within Cyberome's local database, where credentials and user profiles are stored directly on the device. Radius authentication. Cyberome integrates with a Radius server for centralized authentication. It's often used in larger environments where users are authenticated through a centralized authentication system. LDAP authentication. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol (LDAP) allows Cyberome to connect with directory services like Microsoft Active Directory or OpenLDAP for user authentication. Active Directory integration. By integrating with Microsoft Active Directory, Cyberome can synchronize user accounts and groups, facilitating seamless management of user credentials and access. Single Sign-On (SSO). SSO support. Cyberome supports SSO to enable users to log in once and access multiple applications or services without needing to re-authenticate. This streamlines the user experience and reduces password fatigue. User profiles and attributes. Profile management. Create and manage user profiles with specific attributes such as department, role, and access level. This enables tailored policy application and ensures users have appropriate access based on their role. Dynamic attributes. Support for dynamic attributes allows for changes in user profiles based on real-time data, such as department changes or role upgrades. Identity-based policies. Policy creation. Create security policies based on user identity, such as access controls, internet usage restrictions, and application permissions. This ensures that different users have access according to their roles and responsibilities. Access control. Role-based access control, RBAC. Role definition. Define roles within Cyberome, such as administrator, manager, or employee. Each role has specific permissions and access levels. Permission assignment. Assign permissions to roles, ensuring that users inherit access rights according to their assigned role. This simplifies policy management and enforces principle of least privilege. Granular policy enforcement. Resource access. Define access policies for network resources, applications, and data based on user identity or role. For example, only managers may access certain files or applications. Contextual policies. Implement policies that adapt based on context, such as user location, time of day, or device type, to further refine access controls. Web filtering. Content filtering. Apply web filtering policies based on user identity or group to block access to inappropriate or non-work-related websites. This helps in maintaining productivity and compliance with organizational policies. Category-based filtering. Filter web content based on predefined categories, example, social media, gambling, or custom categories relevant to the organization's needs. Bandwidth management. Quota allocation. Manage bandwidth usage based on user identity or group to ensure fair distribution of network resources. This prevents any single user or group from monopolizing bandwidth. Traffic shaping. Implement traffic shaping policies to prioritize critical applications or services based on user roles, ensuring that important business applications receive adequate bandwidth. Performance and scalability of Cyberome solutions. 1. Performance. A. Throughput. Device specifications. Cyberome appliances were built with different hardware configurations, including various CPU, RAM, and network interface options. Higher-end models had better throughput capabilities. Sophos continues this with its lineup, offering devices with high throughput rates suitable for enterprise-level needs. Traffic management. Sophos's approach to throughput involves optimizing the handling of both inbound and outbound traffic to ensure efficient processing. B. Inspection speed. Deep Packet Inspection. DPI. Cyberome's DPI capabilities allowed for thorough analysis of network traffic for security threats. Sophos enhances this with advanced threat detection technologies, ensuring minimal impact on overall performance while maintaining high security standards. Intrusion Prevention System (IPS). The IPS within Cyberome solutions aim to detect and block malicious activities with minimal latency. Sophos refines this with updated threat intelligence and performance tuning. C. Latency. Impact of security features. While security features like encryption, filtering, and inspection can introduce latency, Cyberome devices were designed to minimize this impact. Sophos continues to optimize these processes to balance security and performance effectively. Configuration best practices. Proper configuration and tuning are crucial for reducing latency. Sophos provides guidelines and tools to help with this. 2. Scalability. A. Model range. Variety of solutions. Cyberome's product range covered various needs, from small offices to large enterprises. The models varied in terms of performance capabilities and feature sets. Sophos continues to offer a range of solutions that build upon Cyberome's foundation, ensuring scalability across different sizes of organizations. Deployment scenarios. Sophos offers appliances and cloud-based solutions, allowing organizations to scale based on their specific requirements. B. Cluster support. High availability. CyberROM solutions supported high availability configurations, which involved clustering multiple units to ensure uninterrupted service. Sophos extends this capability with more advanced clustering and failover options. Load balancing. Sophos provides load balancing features to distribute traffic efficiently across multiple devices or nodes, enhancing scalability. C. Licensing. Flexible licensing. CyberROM offered various licensing options to match the scale of deployment. Sophos continues this with scalable licensing models that allow for incremental additions based on organizational growth. Feature expansion. Licensing also supports the addition of new features or increased capacity, allowing organizations to adapt to changing needs. 3. Integration and upgrades. A. Sophos integration. Enhanced features. With CyberROM now integrated into Sophos, users benefit from Sophos's advanced security technologies and improved performance metrics. Sophos leverages CyberROM's legacy while introducing new features and enhancements. Unified management. Sophos provides a unified management interface for easier administration and scalability, integrating CyberROM's capabilities into a broader security ecosystem. B. Firmware and software updates. Performance improvements. Regular updates are crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Sophos continuously updates its products with performance improvements, new features, and security patches. Deployment strategies and best practices for CyberROM. CyberROM, now part of Sophos, offers unified threat management (UTM) solutions that combine multiple security features in a single platform. Here are some deployment strategies and best practices for CyberROM appliances. Deployment strategies. Assess network requirements. Evaluate your network size, traffic patterns, and security needs before deployment. This helps in selecting the right CyberROM model and configuring it according to your requirements. High availability setup. For mission-critical environments, consider deploying CyberROM in high availability mode to ensure continuous network protection and minimal downtime. Typically involves setting up to CyberROM appliances in an active-passive or active-active configuration. Segmentation and placement. Position CyberROM appliances strategically within the network, such as at the network perimeter, gateway, or between internal segments, DMZ and internal network, based on your security policy. Integration with existing infrastructure. Ensure CyberROM integrates smoothly with your existing network infrastructure and other security solutions, example CM, antivirus. Cloud and on-premises. Decide whether to deploy CyberROM on-premises or in the cloud based on your organization's needs. On-premises deployments offer more control, while cloud deployments can provide scalability and easier management. Best practices. Initial configuration. Perform a thorough initial configuration, including setting up network interfaces, IP addresses, and security policies. Follow CyberROM's installation guide for detailed steps. Regular updates. Keep the CyberROM firmware and signatures up to date to protect against the latest threats. Regular updates ensure that you have the latest security patches and feature enhancements. Configuration management. Document and back up your configuration settings regularly. This helps in quick recovery in case of hardware failure or configuration issues. Policy and rule management. Define clear security policies and rules based on your organization's requirements. Regularly review and update these policies to adapt to changing security landscapes. Monitoring and logging. Enable logging and monitoring features to track network activity and detect anomalies. Utilize Cyberoam's reporting tools to analyze traffic patterns and security events. Performance tuning. Monitor the performance of your Cyberoam appliance and adjust configurations, example, bandwidth management, content filtering, to optimize performance based on actual network usage. Comparative analysis, Cyberoam versus other UTM solutions. When comparing Cyberoam to other Unified Threat Management (UTM) solutions, it's important to consider several factors such as features, performance, ease of use, and cost. Here's a comparative analysis focusing on Cyberoam and how it stacks up against other popular UTM solutions. 1. Features and capabilities. Cyberoam, known for its comprehensive security features including firewall protection, intrusion prevention system, IPS, antivirus, anti-spam, VPN, and web filtering. It also offers multi-layered security with features like identity-based firewall and SSL inspection. Fortinet FortiGate. FortiGate provides a robust suite of security features including advanced threat protection, web filtering, application control, and sandboxing. It is known for its high-performance hardware and advanced threat intelligence. SonicWall TZ series. SonicWall offers strong security features such as deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention, content filtering, and anti-malware. The TZ series is well regarded for its ease of use and integration with SonicWall's cloud-based threat intelligence. Sophos XG Firewall. Sophos XG provides features like synchronized security, deep learning AI, web filtering, and advanced threat protection. It is known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive reporting. 2. Performance and scalability. Cyberoam performance is generally reliable, but it may lag behind in handling high-throughput scenarios compared to some competitors. Scalability options are available but may not be as extensive as those of Fortinet. Fortinet FortiGate offers high performance and scalability with dedicated hardware appliances that can handle high traffic volumes efficiently. The FortiGate series is known for its speed and high throughput. SonicWall TZ series, good performance for small to medium-sized businesses with a focus on ease of deployment and management. High-end models can handle more demanding environments. Sophos XG Firewall balances performance and scalability with models suited for various business sizes. Sophos is known for its effective performance in diverse environments. 3. Ease of use and management. Cyberoam offers a user-friendly interface but may require a learning curve for advanced configurations. Management can be straightforward for basic setups. Fortinet FortiGate has a comprehensive management interface that can be complex for beginners but offers extensive configuration options for experienced users. Fortinet also provides central management tools for larger deployments. SonicWall TZ series, known for its ease of use, with an intuitive interface and straightforward configuration. SonicWall's management tools are designed to be user-friendly. Sophos XG Firewall, praised for its intuitive interface and ease of management. Sophos Central provides a unified management console that simplifies administration. 4. Cost and licensing. Cyberome pricing is generally competitive, with different models catering to various business sizes. Licensing costs are transparent but may vary based on feature sets and support. Fortinet FortiGate, typically more expensive, especially for high-performance models. Licensing can be complex, with additional costs for advanced features and support. SonicWall TZ series offers a range of pricing options suitable for small to mid-sized businesses. Licensing is straightforward, with various subscription options for security services. Sophos XG Firewall pricing is competitive, with a focus on providing value for money. Licensing options include comprehensive packages that cover all necessary features. Integration and compatibility with existing security systems. 1. API compatibility. Details. Purpose: APIs, application programming interfaces, enable different software systems to communicate with each other. For effective integration, the new system should support API standards or protocols compatible with your existing security infrastructure. Considerations. RESTful APIs, commonly used for modern applications, check for RESTful API endpoints. SOAP APIs, older standard but still in use, ensure compatibility if your existing systems use SOAP. Data formats, ensure compatibility with data formats like JSON or XML. 2. Authentication and authorization. Details. Purpose: integrating authentication and authorization mechanisms ensures that only authorized users can access resources and systems. Considerations. Single sign-on, SSO support for protocols like SAML or OAuth that enable users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple systems. LDAP Active Directory integration. The new system should integrate with existing directory services for user management. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensure the new system can enforce the same roles and permissions. 3. Data encryption. Details. Purpose: encryption protects data in transit and at rest, ensuring confidentiality and integrity. Considerations. Encryption standards verify compatibility with existing encryption standards such as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, or TLS, Transport Layer Security. Key management, ensure integration with existing key management solutions to handle encryption keys. 4. Event and log management. Details. Purpose: centralized log management allows for effective monitoring and analysis of security events. Considerations. CM integration, ensure the new system can forward logs and events to your existing CM platform. Log formats, compatibility with log formats and standards used by your CM, example syslog. 5. Network integration. Details. Purpose: integration with network security tools ensures comprehensive protection and monitoring of network traffic. Considerations: firewall compatibility. Ensure that the new system can work with existing firewall rules and configurations. Intrusion detection prevention systems. IDS IPS check for integration with existing IDS IPS solutions to monitor and respond to threats. 6. Compliance. Details. Purpose. Compliance ensures that all systems meet regulatory requirements and industry standards. Why choose ProExcellency for CyberOhm online training? Choosing ProExcellency for CyberOhm online training can offer several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency often boasts experienced trainers with in-depth knowledge of CyberOhm products and solutions, ensuring high-quality instruction and support. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses typically cover a broad range of topics, from basic concepts to advanced features, providing a well-rounded understanding of CyberOhm's offerings. Flexible learning options. Online training allows for flexibility in scheduling, enabling you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Practical hands-on experience. ProExcellency may include practical labs and real-world scenarios, helping you gain hands-on experience with CyberOhm systems. Certification preparation. Their programs often prepare you for CyberOhm certification exams, enhancing your credentials and career prospects. Support and resources. Access to additional resources, support, and forums can be valuable for resolving issues and enhancing learning. Positive reviews and reputation. ProExcellency's reputation and positive reviews can be an indicator of their training quality and effectiveness. Thank you.